This patient, let's call her Septa Mordain. And here we go straight away, a blockage sitting directly on the eardrum. Now over oiled, so everything has gathered in one place. The Zollner goes straight in and you can see the edge of the keratin lifting from the canal wall. But this plug is extremely stuck right on the top of the eardrum where the canal narrows the most. We get some movement, but it really doesn't want to cooperate, and we also have some chopsticking here, not ideal. I switch back to the standard Zollner because the slim tip simply doesn't have enough suction hold. And finally, the moulded keratin layer comes away. Back in now, and I tackle the actual plug which is still sitting there on the eardrum. And now watch this. The slim tip angles around the bend and it attaches. A pause here. If you love satisfying ear extractions like this, make sure you're subscribed to Waxoff so you don't miss the next one. An almost black plug, very hard, and its colour shows that it's been sitting in there for such a long time. But now it almost wants to push deeper instead, so I retreat and regroup. Back in with the larger Zollner now, which barely fits in the ear canal, but finally it attaches. And here we have the final plug. And that was sitting directly on the eardrum. And there we are, completely clear. She's had quite an unusual history of ear surgeries and discharge, and the eardrum almost appears oblong shaped. Here's the right ear for comparison. And I will see you in the next one. This next one was interesting.